Somebody sent me a video? Oh!
No, she ain't get no DM from me, bitch. This rich nigga dick, it ain't free.
What's up with squad, and I'm back with another video, man. Listen, man. You guys already read the title. You already know what's gonna go down, man. So today's video gonna be about me reading my DM and stuff. I know most of you guys wanna know what's in my DM, right? So yeah, I mean, I have like a bunch of DMs, to be honest. It was like more than 100 DMs and stuff, but hey, I'm bad at replying back to people and stuff. So I'm so sorry, y'all, if y'all try to holler at me and then I don't be responding back to you. But I know I should be doing it and stuff, but I don't really have time like that, to be honest. And then I know I'm not all that, to be honest. I'm not all that but myself, to be honest. I know most of you be thinking, oh, you think you're all that, blah, blah, blah. I'm not, you feel me? At the end of the day, I'm just a person just like you feel me? Sometimes you just don't feel like replying back to everybody, you feel me? So I have 68 DM on my, like, you know, on my requests and stuff, you feel me? So you see, from 100 something DMs and it to like 68. So I try to look at them and stuff, you know. Some of them were you know, really good and stuff. I'm so sorry because I didn't do it on camera, but that's why I really want to do the rest on camera, man. So before this video starts, you know what you have to do, man. You know what you have to do, man. So like this video, comment, and if you're new to my channel, man, subscribe to be part of the Wens Squad family. And without further ado, let's get right into the video like this. So the first DM that I have, he says, hey, I've seen you on YouTube. Are you like a mentor? No, I'm not a mentor at all. Like sometimes I just, you know, my YouTube channel based on, you know, good vibes only, to be honest. I'm just gonna post pranks and stuff, you know, challenges. You know, sometimes, like, you know, I'll be dancing in there just to keep you entertained, because I know some of you love when I'm dancing and stuff, especially to my, you know, Haitian music and stuff. So yeah, so no, I'm not a mentor at all. So sometimes I just be making videos and stuff just to give you guys some advice and stuff, because I know some of you might be going through something and stuff, and then if you come across like my video and stuff, you might be interested in watching that video to lift you guys up. So that's why sometimes I just be posting some video that I know some of you might need to hear to make you guys feel better and stuff, you feel me? So that's why I like sometimes just be making video based off that, you feel me? So yeah, the next one that I have, somebody was like, your video went viral. That's what's up. So yeah, it was a video that I made. It's about a challenge and stuff. So I'm gonna post it right there so I can show you guys. Yeah, that video went viral, so I've been getting a lot of followers lately, man. It's like I was at 3,000 something followers the other day, and now I'm at like 4.3k, I believe. It's crazy. I gained a lot of followers from that video, so shout out to you guys. So make sure you go on my Instagram and follow me and like this video so it can keep on going viral, you feel me? So yeah, the next one we have here was from that person. Oh man, she's showing some love. Okay, she sent me some eye emoji and stuff, you feel me, saying that I look good. And then yeah, she commented on the video that I just talked about, the one that I say I went viral, blah blah blah, the one that you guys just watched. So yeah, she's talking about that video. She was like, nice. So yeah, it was a good video, man. I ain't gonna lie, I killed that challenge, man. Next one we have it from a guy, I believe. He said, how are you, man? I'm good, to be honest, you know. I'm blessed to be alive. So I hope you guys doing okay too, doing this quarantine and stuff. I know it's hard for you guys to stay inside the house, but hey, it's better to stay at home, to be honest, because it's really crazy out there, man. So try to stay safe, all right? But I'm good in my end. Thank you for asking, man. And then somebody said, I guess I posted something that was nice, you know. She trying to holler at me, but hey, all the DM that I'm showing you guys, I haven't replied back to anybody, and I'm not going to do it. It's too much, to be honest. And then I don't want to go back and forth and stuff, you feel me? So that's why I'm replying to you guys right here in this video. So the next one, it was from the same video I was talking about earlier again. That person sent a eye emoji and stuff, and that, you know, I look good. Thank you, appreciate you. So the other one on TikTok, it was that
Tusi slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a
so
spin.
yeah, I made a video about that the other day. So yeah, that person said, I like your videos on TikTok. Thank you, appreciate you. So if you don't have me on TikTok, go follow me right now, WensTV. Yeah, it's lit, it's lit. And the next one, somebody commented fire emoji. So I guess I posted something that was kind of dope. So thank you for the love, appreciate you. Oh, so the next one is a Haitian girl, of course, talking about Upa Malno. That's been, you're not that bad looking, something like that, you know, that's how I should say it. So yeah, you're not that bad looking. So thank you for the love, appreciate you, you know, thanks to my parents and stuff. Okay, so the next one is, hey, go check out my new prank video and let me know your thought in the comment section. Please share it and hope you enjoy it. To be honest with you, if you send me a DM about that, I'm not gonna open it, to be honest. I'm not gonna click the link. I'm so sorry. Because at the end of the day, like, you'll be doing that and stuff, you'll never share my video. So what's the point? Like, why should I support you? Like, while you're not supporting me and stuff, you know? The support go both ways, so you have to do it first. And after that, you know, I see that you've been supporting me. If I see that you've been supporting me and stuff, you know, I will show you the love back in return. So if you trying to send me some email, send me some DM like that, yeah, you're wasting your time, because I'm not gonna bother about it. So hope you keep on going with your YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best. That's all I can say, you feel me? Alright, so the next one, man. So that person say, whoa. So the next one, man, so that person say, where do I live? I live in Houston, Texas, the best state. Yup. It's time, baby. Let's go. It's time. So she was like, talk you to next. Thank you. I will translate for you guys. And then she's, let me scroll down real quick. Okay, funny. Yeah, I know I'm funny. Thank you. Oh yeah. So basically she's saying that I'm cute as hell. You feel me? I'm cute as F. So thank you, appreciate that, you know. Like I said, thanks to my parents and stuff. Feel me? So yeah, man, this thing is getting really crazy, man. Let me try to sit down and relax, man, cause I don't wanna get too comfortable, man. Let me get back to the way I was. But make sure you like this video and then comment and stuff, and don't forget to, you know, subscribe. So the next one, so that person, man, that person sent me, you know, the same emoji people been sending me and stuff, you know, saying that I look good. Of course, you feel me? Yeah, you feel me, you know? I always trying to make sure I look good, man. Hey, I'm doing it for myself, so thank you for noticing that, you feel me? Thank you for noticing that, so appreciate you guys. So yeah, and then that person sent me a fire emoji. Okay, she's showing some love. And then that was like, she's laughing about something that I did. It was another like challenge, like that type of thing. It's like, I forgot the name of the music. Put your back in it, something like that. So it was, I will post it right there to show you guys. Let's look at it real quick. So that's the video she's laughing at, like, you know, she's laughing on it and stuff. So yeah, I killed it though. What do you guys think? So the next one, man, so that person, oh my god, I think that's a dude. He's been showing me mad love and stuff. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. I really appreciate you, man. So hopefully you're doing okay, bro. Hopefully you're doing okay, man. I'm so sorry for ignoring you. It's just because I have a lot. I don't feel like going back and forth with people. If you were in my, if you were in my position and stuff, if you were in my situation, man, you would have been like, yo, this is too much. You feel me? I'm not trying to brag or anything, you feel me? But hey, at the end of the day, that's what it is, man. It is what it is. I've been getting a lot of DM and stuff from y'all, so I will try to, you know, respond back to some of you guys, but you know, I'm not gonna have a full conversation with you, but I might say thank you, blah blah blah, you know, because I think that's disrespectful just to, like, you know, make a video about that. But this is why I'm replying back to you, shit. I don't care. This is why I'm replying back to you. So so that person said if 100 emoji, I guess he loves that, I guess, the way we turning up, and he sent it 100, I don't know, super top, blah blah blah, baby moins plein déjà. What is he talking about, bro? Why you saying baby to me, bro? And then he sent a fire emoji. Okay, again by a guy, I don't know what he was talking about. Big finger. Why this dude worry about my finger, bro? You weird, bro. On to the next one, man. I don't wanna your baby boy. No, that's not my baby, that's my niece. Okay. Yeah, you see the video I was talking about, man. Everybody's talking about it, so you better go look at this video right now. It's hot. Yeah. Keep enjoying, bro. The king. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, family. Yeah, that was for siblings day, and then I posted, and then he said, oh, yourself, I think he met him out. I think he was trying to say Noah, keep assembly. Well, we all related and stuff. That's my brothers and sisters, so I don't know what you're talking about, bro. We all look like, bro. And thank you for the love, you commented on that. And that was me, like I was playing the drums. It was like, let's go the drum, like let's go drummer, something like that. So let's go to the next one. That's not why we're here for. So it was the same video that I was talking about again, the one you just watched earlier. So yeah, I killed it, man. So thank you, appreciate you. Next one. So I posted something, and then that person said, amen. That's true. And then I posted a Haitian movie. She was laughing, and then I posted a video of me trying like different outfits and stuff. And then she said that the third outfit was looking better. So yeah. And then I posted something on Sunday for Easter, and she said amen. So okay. Alright, so the next one we have here, it was the prank that I made on my mom. I don't know if you guys see that video, man. So if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you go look at the previous video. Go look at it, man. It was a funny prank, but it's in Haitian Creole though. So just watch it, just to see what's going on in the video. I'm pretty sure it's common sense. You guys gonna get it if you don't speak Haitian Creole and stuff. But yeah, so that video was bomb. It was a banger. So yeah, that person laughing at the same video that I just showed you guys. So next one, that person say hi, how you doing? I hope you're doing okay. Alright, next one, that person, I don't know why they put that emoji for, to be honest. Why would you do that? Like why would you put a crying emoji on my family picture? For what? Do we look sad or what? Like don't try to be disrespectful like that. I hope you send the wrong emoji. I hope that wasn't the emoji you were trying to send to me, bro. But I don't know if you like a dude. Yeah, that's a dude. I don't know, man, but I forgive you though. You probably were trying to send another emoji, but hey, it's all good. But next time don't do that again, bro. But okay, so on Good Friday I posted something. That person said what? Like I cannot say thank you Lord for dying for our sin and stuff. Like why you say for? People are weird. But okay, so that person said, someone just sent me your page, but you fine and it's so. Thank you, appreciate you for the love. For you guys, if you don't know what Zo means, it's like Haitian. That's another like like way to say Haitian, to be honest. Like so it's Zo. You're a Zo. So I'm a Zo. You feel me? So I'm Haitian. So yeah, thank you for the love, appreciate you. Mad love. And that person said, hey, could you listen to my record? But I ain't got time for that, to be honest, man. I don't like doing that. And on to the next one. Find you on my TikTok. Find your page on my TikTok. And she put that emoji. I guess I look too good, I guess. I don't know. But thank you though. Thank you. And that person said, I think that was when I went to Haiti. Lucky, I still haven't visited where my family from. You should go to Haiti. It's beautiful and stuff, but not right now. Wait till everything get back to normal and stuff. So yeah, you feel me? So yeah, and I was having a good time. It's that Haitian room. I see. I'm only 18 and blah blah blah. Your favorite song right now because you put me on. I'm glad that I put you on. I have a good taste in music too, guys. So yeah, And that person said, let's see if you have time for God, send this to 30 people in 1 minute. I don't like to do that, to be honest, like, you feel me? I don't like doing that, so thank you for sending it to me, you feel me? At the end of the day, I shouldn't be doing that to prove you that I know God, you feel me? So yeah, on to the next one, man. Thank you though. Thank you for sending this to me. Hey, how are you? Your mama is on my DM, bro. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but that look like somebody's mama. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but that look like somebody's mama. Hello, how you doing, man? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. You feel me? So, hey, you better get your mom out of my DM, bro, because I'm not fun to play with her. Alright, so somebody say, hey, you handsome. Thank you, appreciate you. And then she put that 100 emoji on my picture I posted the other day. Appreciate you. And then one of this dude says, ce soir online, ma fin sous bit de impossible. So yeah, I usually make it live every night and stuff on my Instagram page. It be lit, people be dancing and stuff, having a good time with me and stuff. So yeah, so this dude was on there with me one time. He was having a good time. He was trying to see if I was gonna go live that day. So I guess that's why he texted me. But yeah. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So the next one, that person say, "Ou dormi déjà?" Why would you ask that? Like, hi. It's like I be having conversation with you. I'm like, nah. Like, why would you ask that if I slept already? If I'm already asleep? Like, don't try to do me like that. Excuse me for writing you. I just wanted to say congratulations on your talent. You make me laugh with your videos on YouTube. Aww. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So I ain't gonna lie, you're the reason why I make videos and stuff. You feel me? If you guys wasn't supporting me, I wouldn't be right here to make some dope video for you guys. So keep on supporting me, and then, you know, we're gonna make a lot of bangers and stuff. So thank you guys for your support, man. I really love that, you know. So that's the kind of words that lift me up to do more video each and every day for you guys. You feel me? Sometimes I feel like I don't feel like making video. I don't have any ideas, but boom, when I think about you, I'm like, you know, I know what you guys would like. So yeah, that's why I'll be making videos like that. So thank you guys for the love, okay? So I really appreciate that. Much love. So the next one say, hello. Man, that person texted DM me on March 25th. I never answered that person, but hey, I'm so sorry. Hi, hello, how you doing? I'm doing good, hope you're feeling better, okay? So that person said, you're so sexy, sweetie. I just wanted you to let you know. I just wanted to let you know. That person said, you're so sweet. You said sexy, sweetie. I just wanted to tell you that. Thank you, appreciate you. I'm sexy and I know it. Thank you, appreciate you. The next one said a, you know, emoji, of course. Thank you. Hey, where did you get that sweatshirt? I got it from Haitian as Fuck Collection. It's I think they changed the website, afcollection.com. So shout out to them, man. That's my dude. So much love for you, bro. Keep on doing your thing. Keep on making more money, bro. That's how we're here for, bro. That's what we're here for, man. Make that money, bro. That was on live. I was on live, and then somebody was trying to make me dance for them and stuff. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that. You feel me? So, and she was like, hey, you have to ask her manager. You have to ask. That person was like, you have to ask the manager first before you dance on live. But yeah, that's why she said, remember, I'm your manager and stuff. But yeah, nice meeting you on live. It was nice meeting you too. And that picture, let me see what that person sent me. Tap to preview, boom. Okay. She likes me, you feel me? She sent me some eye emoji and stuff, you feel me? So she was showing love. Thank you, appreciate you. So that person was like this, oh my god. Hey, check out my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel too, nigga. Like, don't do that, bro. Just come up to me, be like, hey, I love your video, blah blah, I just subscribe, hope you subscribe to mine too. That I will do it if you do it like that, you feel me? Because like I say, you gotta support me in order for me to support you back. So yeah, that person say, hey, how you doing? And the next one was like, you are very talented, should definitely keep it up, stay blessed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. I'm glad that you're noticing that. So I really appreciate that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, man. I love all those great compliments you've been giving me and stuff. So that's the reason why I go so hard every day to keep you entertained. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. So the next one was like, hey, with a heart emoji. Hey, how you doing? So the next one was, it was a post that I made. Yeah, it was a good quote I posted and stuff. So yeah, and that person was like, I like all you cute. Thank you. That was the same video I was talking about earlier. The people love that video, you feel me? So yeah, I think it was a good video. So yeah. Oh man. Next one was, hi. Hey, how you doing? I'm good, if you ask me. Just in case you ask me, okay? So I'm good, thank you. Hi again. Oh my god, it doesn't stop. I have to drink some water, man, because I'm getting thirsty over here. Hi, I'm good. And it was the same video I was telling you about, man, the video that I made that went viral and stuff. So that person was like, je peux danser avec toi, I would like to dance with you. That's what she's saying. So hey, thank you for the compliment. That's when I know how to dance. So hey. Alright, that's not what we're here for. Let's go. Alright, so that's the video that I was talking about again. You said didn't think you had a slight move like that. Of course, man, you know I be doing my thing. So hey, don't try me like that. You know I be doing my thing. Trying to play me. I'm Haitian, you feel me? All the Haitian know how to do their thing, you feel me? Don't get us twisted and stuff. Alright, so that person was like, sent some fire emoji and stuff. I guess he loved the video. So the next one was the same thing, you know, heart emoji, blah blah blah, and then eye emoji. I've been getting that a lot. To a gentleman. She's saying that I'm a gentleman and stuff. So thank you. And then that person said, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? How you doing, man? You good? Much love, bro. Hey, bro, you in Haiti now? As soon as the airport are open, I'm camping there. Do you offer any guide service? Bro, I'm not no travel agency, bro. I'm not no travel agency at all. So I don't know why people be there. Like it's not the first time somebody like come to me and stuff asking me for that. Like, you feel me? I'm not no damn travel agency and stuff. So don't ask me questions like that. You feel me? If you want me to refer you to something and stuff, you can just ask me that. But the way you come at me, it's like somebody sent you to me and stuff to ask me those type of questions. Don't do that, bro. Salut. That person just saying hello. Hey, how you doing? Oh, that was when I was in Haiti. So that person went to my highlight and stuff to comment, and oh my god, you're crazy. What hotel is this? That was Satama Hotel. The hotel I was at, Satama. And that person was showing some respect and stuff. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. It was me and my boy Tilex, man. We were dancing at the club. We were killing it with them guyad and stuff. So that person sent some, crazy emoji and stuff. But yeah. So the next one, it was that was a video I did with my friend, the Jamaican and Haitian accent thingy. Yeah, it was a dope video. She was laughing. I post one of the teaser on my Instagram status, man. So yeah, that person loved it. So the next one said, oh whoosh. I guess I was looking too good, man. She didn't know how to act. Oh man, she crazy. Thank you. So the next one was, she said, nice picture. Oh whoa, so that person says CC. I don't know what she's trying to say, to be honest. Sorry guys. But do you have a Twitter? No, I don't have a Twitter. So I think this is the last one. Oh, somebody sent me a video. Oh, damn. Let's look at this again. I hope YouTube don't do some crazy thing, bro. I hope YouTube don't do some crazy thing. So that person sent me a picture. It's talking about, can you handle all that? No way. No, she didn't. No, she didn't send me that. No, she didn't send me that. No. I'm glad that I called that person's name out. No way. No way. You're crazy. You know what? This is it for the video, man. You're crazy. This is it, man. I'm out, y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? So thank you guys for watching this video, man. I'm shocked, man. Nah, man. This person trying to get me in trouble, man. I'm not trying to get in trouble, man, for that picture, man. You feel me? Hey. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. I'm out.